car showing P0300 code, engine shaking, rough idle, or loss of power? Don't ignore this problem. It can seriously damage your engine. In this video, I'll show you how a professional mechanic diagnoses and fixes P0300 step by step. P0300 means random or multiple cylinder misfire detected. That means one or more cylinders are not firing properly, fuel is not burning correctly inside the engine. If your car has P0300, you may notice engine vibration, hesitation during acceleration, reduced power, and increased fuel consumption. As a professional mechanic, I don't guess, I diagnose properly. Here are the most common causes of P0300. In most real cases, worn spark plugs or a weak ignition coil is the main problem. Step 1. Remove and inspect the spark plugs. If they are worn, oily, or carbon covered, replace them immediately. Step 2. Check ignition coils. You can swap coils between cylinders. If the misfire moves, the coil is bad. Step 3. Inspect vacuum lines. Look for cracks, leaks, or loose connections. Step 4. Clean the MF sensor using proper MF cleaner. Never touch it directly. Step 5. Check fuel system. Low fuel pressure or clogged injectors can also cause misfire. Driving with a misfire can damage your catalytic converter, and that repair is very expensive. So fix this issue as soon as possible. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video. And comment below which engine code you want me to cover next.